Senior ZANU-PF Mashonaland West official in former Chegutu West Member of Parliament Dexter Nduna has been arrested on charges of obstruction of justice following an incident involving a messenger of court. Sarabina Machu Kubdanya Kwachin ZANU-PF boss unleashes dogs on court officials. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Buna Mubdanya Kwamchinzi. Nduna is accused of threatening to unleash dogs on a messenger of court who had gone to his premises to execute a court order authorizing the attachment of property over an outstanding debt amounting $41,000. He is expected to appear in court on Wednesday. He is currently being detained at Kadoma Central Police Station under case number CR 43/1/26. According to police allegations, Nduna obstructed the messenger of court from attacking his Toyota Fortuner as directed by a valid court order. It is alleged that when the court official attempted to carry out the attachment, Nduna threatened to release his dogs, forcing the messenger of court to retreat and abandon the exercise. Following the confrontation, messenger of court reportedly left the scene and later filed a report with the police. Nduna, however, subsequently made a counter report against the messenger of court at the same police station. Dexter Nduna is a well-known political figure in Mashonaland West Province. He previously served as the Member of Parliament for Chegutu West, and he has held several influential positions within ZANU-PF at both constituents and provincial levels. During his time in Parliament, Nduna was also associated with the Parliamentary Legal Committee, where he was involved in legislative process and oversight of laws. This case has drawn attention due to Nduna's seniority within the ruling party and the seriousness of the allegations, which involve interference with the execution of a court order. Authorities have not yet commented on the counter allegations raised by Nduna, and the matter is expected to be clarified when it comes before the court. Toma developments aripo oitana na Nduna ma-politicians emuzano. Mina comment section medu zafunguro emo tukudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.